This blue vase is very special to me.
It looks like the blue color of the ocean. Huh? We must be very careful near that high shelf.
It is a beautiful gift for our happy home.
I want to paint a picture of the vase. Be careful with your many bright paint colors. I almost dropped my water on the rug.
Please keep the floor clean and very tidy.
I need to see the top of the vase. Please get down from that tall chair now. I just want to touch the smooth glass. Oh no, the chair is sliding away from me. I am sorry. I did not mean to do it. The beautiful blue vase is in many small pieces. Mom will be so angry with me today. Do not cry, Maya. It will be okay.
What was that loud noise in the living room?
She is coming. What should I say now? Oh, heaven. But you did not do anything wrong, Leo. I was playing with my ball, and I hit it. It was me, Mom. I knocked it over. I was playing with my ball, and I hit it.
I told you to be very careful, Leo.
That was a very expensive and special vase.
I am very sorry for breaking your favorite gift.
You must go to your room now, Leo.
It is very lonely in here without my sister. My brother is in trouble because of my mistake.
Leo is usually a very careful and good boy.
I am disappointed because he was playing inside.
You cannot play soccer this weekend, my son.
Oh. I understand. I must help with the work. The picture is pretty, but the vase is gone.
Why do you look so sad today, little Maya?
My brother is working hard and cannot play soccer.
Hard work makes the heart grow very strong, dear.
Can Leo come and eat with us now, Mom?
He can come when he finishes his garden work.
The garden is clean, and all the leaves are gone. Thank you for helping our dad today, Leo. Yeah.
I bride kek by Li-Fi. I am happy that you are not in trouble.
The secret feels like a very heavy stone inside. You are the best brother in the whole world.
Do you want to come with me today, Leo?
I should stay here and help Mom more today. He is being so good, and I am lying.
I cannot reach this box without the tall chair.
Let me help you reach that high box, Mom.
You are a very helpful boy, even with mistakes.
I cannot keep this secret anymore. It hurts too much. I must tell the truth to my family now. Mom and Dad, I have something important to say.
What is it, Maya? You look very worried.
No, Leo. I must be brave like you are. Leo did not break your favorite blue vase, Mom.
Is this true? Did you lie to me, Leo?
I just did not want Maya to be sad.
We never lie in this house, even for love.
I broke it because I wanted to see it.
I am happy for the truth, but sad for the lie.
I am sorry I lied, Mom. I was protecting her.
The vase was just a thing, but honesty is everything.
Please do not be angry with Leo anymore.
I forgive you for trying to be a good brother. I will always tell the truth from now on.
And what about you, my little painter?
I will never climb on the chairs again, Dad.
I am lucky to have such honest and kind children.
I told my mom the truth about the vase.
Now your heart is as light as a bird.
Yes. I feel very happy and very good now.
Dad says I can play soccer tomorrow morning.
That is wonderful news for a brave boy.
Let's go and find a way to fix things.
They learned a very important lesson today, Anna.
Dave, I want to buy a new vase for you. I have some coins from my birthday last year.
you do not need to use all your money.
We can make a new vase together with clay.
Can I paint it with many beautiful colors?
Use your hands to make the shape very tall.
We must make it strong so it does not break.
This vase will be more special than the blue one. Now it is time for the bright blue paint.
It looks like the ocean and the sky together.
Soon it will be ready for your flowers, Anna.
I have some yellow roses for your new vase. Thank you, Mrs. Green. They are very beautiful.
Here is the new vase we made for you.
I like it better on this lower shelf here.
It looks perfect in our happy living room now. I put Tiny's here's help world. I am glad we told the truth, Maya. Thank you for being such a brave brother, Leo.
Everyone say cheese for the family picture now.
This photo reminds me of your big hearts.
Can we go to the park tomorrow, Dad?
Yes, and we can all play soccer together.
I love our new vase and our hap home. Good night, Maya. Sweet dreams about beautiful blue oceans. I broke the vase, but the truth fixed our hearts.